to our latest Spotlight program here at IDEX. And I'm here with a global technology and aerospace company, Paramount. I'm talking to Steve Griesel. Steve, you've got some new branding here. What's the idea?
Over the last 29 years, we have built up across land, sea, and air amazing platforms, and now we're ready to transition to becoming a true OEM and moving away from manufacturing and moving into manufacturing around the world in various countries. And the brand and the rebranding and the refreshing of our brand is a statement, it's symbolic of our move from the last century into the next 30 years and beyond.
And do you think the industry, requires companies like yours to move into this area to really become global and to become more sort of useful OEMs for them?
Yes, so as an OEM, we've always done our own manufacturing. Today, the strategic imperative of governments is to do local manufacturing. They need the transfer of technology, and they need it quickly. We not only are able to do that because of the way that we do things digitally, but we're also happy to do that.
And I believe that's why you're here in Abu Dhabi. One of your bases is here, your global base. Just tell us about how important that is to you.
Well, it's more than that. The holding company which I run is based in Abu Dhabi Global Markets, ADGM. So that is our holding company. So all the companies in the world now belong to that company. So this is a critical region to us. And of course, the UAE is critical to our growth in the future. The support that we get here from the government and of course in the region. So that's a very, very strategic place for us to be.
And is portable manufacturing something you're hoping presumably to do in this region? What's your progress there, please, Steve?
We already do some portable manufacturing here. We are already doing portable manufacturing in India, in Kazakhstan, and we just about to begin in a few other countries I can't mention yet. But over the next 5 years, we're hoping to have 6 of those portable production facilities around the world.
It's clearly a big strategic move for you, going to be a big growth for your business. What are the main challenges to it? Because it's not for everybody, is it?
No, well, the biggest issue that you've got to solve is that, so in our world, we do everything digitally. What I mean by that, we create a digital thread. So we do the design, the prototyping, the testing, and then the industrialization, both in the virtual and the real world. That speeds up things dramatically. So that's how we overcome that hurdle to be able to do that fast, and then we are able to transfer that digital twin into a country's environment very, very quickly. And through that's how we're able to win.
Clearly that partnership approach is important, and the type of product is important. Can you just tell us which products are kind of at the top of the list for that portable solution, as it were?
Yes, so our vehicles are at the forefront of that, and so we are producing vehicles in several countries in the world because of that, but on the aerospace side, it's just as important.
Now, products are obviously big for shows. I believe you've got a new loitering munition product as well that you're launching here. Is that right, Steve?
We do. So we've been working on a loitering munition for several years, but we're actually going into production right now. The name of the loitering munition is the N-Raven. And this is something that is much needed, as you know, in the world because of what's happened in the Ukraine.
Steve, thank you for updating us about Paramount. You've got a lot on your plate. Very good luck with it. And thank you for talking to Spotlight today.
Of course, thank you so much.
Thank you.